Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project. Open Android Studio and sign into your Google account so Firebase can link to it. Once done, create or open the Android app module and confirm the package name and minimum SDK you want. Make sure to add internet permission in Android Manifest. XML and run a Gradle sync so dependencies resolve. This avoids build errors later. This gets the environment ready and the project recognized by Firebase when you add the app in the console. Now you connect the app, open Firebase Assistant or the Firebase console and register your Android app using the package name. Once added, download Google Services, JSON and place it in the app/folder. This file maps your app to the Firebase project. Next, add the Firebase BOM and desired libraries in module build. Gradle and apply the Google Services plugin in the project-level Gradle files. After editing, sync Gradle so dependencies download, and the project recognizes Firebase services. Finally, initialize Firebase in code, typically in your application class or main activity call Firebase app. Initialize app this so SDKs are ready. Then verify by using a simple feature. Log an analytics event, run an auth sign-in flow, or perform a real-time database read/write to confirm connectivity. If something goes wrong, make sure to check Google Services. JSON is an app/, verify SHA1 for auth. Ensure compatible Gradle and plugin versions, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.